Yes! Once again, Rod Pinky showcasing the hottest homes in Houston, Texas. Let's check it out. Welcome to 12506 Bohem Drive. We are in Memorial West, just west of Bunker Hill Village, and I can't wait to show you this house. Let's go. Coming into the main part of the home, you can see we have the nice stairwell. We have the dining room on our left. Beautiful dining room. Study, by the way, is also over here on this side. And you can see a nice expansive study, very high ceiling. I really love this floor plan. And as you can tell, we're coming into the main living area. We have a nice bar for entertaining on the left side. The master's over here. We have a nice middle entertainment section. And then coming to the other side, we're going right into the kitchen. So we're right in the kitchen. Beautiful spaces. A nice living area here in the middle. And let's go ahead and have a look. So, beautiful pool and spa. You can see we're on a nice, almost a half-acre size lot. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful home. You have the fire pits, you have the pool, you have the lot. And so we're coming right in. Back into the kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. And now we are going into the main living area. And so coming into the home, you can see that we have the middle foyer. We have the dining room on our left, which is right in front of a nice bar so you can entertain your guests. You have a powder room on this side. You have a beautiful study with extra high ceiling. So it's an incredible study. And right in the entryway of the door. Coming in, you also have a nice entertainment area right here with a fireplace and a beautiful view of the pool. It looks excellent. And coming into the main living area, you can see we have a seating room with a kitchen and then the outdoor area right here where you have the pool and spa, and you also have an outdoor kitchen, which is great. So you can see the outdoor kitchen, the pool, along with the spa. This is just a great entertainment area. And I love that about this home. And we're in Memorial West, so we're just west of Bunker Hill Village. It's an incredible area. Some of the top schools, and that's what I love about this. Coming into the kitchen, you can see we have some top grade appliances, refrigerator and freezer. We've got the double ovens and then the range along with the island. So it's an incredible home. Let's see the second floor. And so we're going upstairs. You have an incredible space up here. A nice media room where we come in and then you can see 1, 2, 3 bedrooms behind me. You have a nice game room, media room. And then coming to the other side, you share a bathroom. You have a nice little study section. And then this is the back stairwell, which brings us back into the kitchen. Thank you for joining me on this property tour of 12506 Bohem Memorial West. I can't wait to show you the next house.